Ayan guys, tingnan niyo po yung line-up namin ngayon. Wala kaming MM dito.
5 seconds
Nanap ko
till
yung
the
ginamit
enemy
ko
reaches
doon.
the battlefield. Smash them.
Arlot po yung hero natin ngayon. Tank Arlot tayo,
Burn
tank.
heaven if the gods
Oh, man.
get in my way.
Ayaw mag-roam ng ano eh, ng show.
Out of my way! Say I'm the duality of human
Nilala ko
and
nung
demon.
mag-invade pero wala yung core nila. Nasa blue map yata yung Karina. Ayun o.
Betrayal. I know the taste of it too well.
Bali nag-artista lang ako doon sa gold line namin dahil makalugi yung nana sa Moscow.
Stop this with another star.
Hindi talaga kami makalapit eh pag merong MM. Lugi kami.
You're a petty
Hindi talaga kaya. Ambush yung ginagawa ko dito eh. Rotation ko, ano lang, gold line, pati mid.
What?
This reminds me of the little street that leads us home.
Gather at the turtle.
The pointy ends of my spears.
Pinressure ko na yung kalaban early game pa lang. Wala pa kahit yung kalaban para hindi ka makulat. Malakas naman yung damage ni Arlot pag early game eh.
You wanna go swimming?
There was a place
Killing spree.
Pag apat yung kalaban, di ko kaya eh.
I will not.
Initiate retreat.
Lamang pa naman kami ng early game. Okay pa naman yung laro.
The turtle. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Slain an enemy. Ally has been slain.
Check lang yung map.
Initiate retreat.
Nakita ko nga yung Alice pati yung Karina kaya pinatulaw ko na.
Understood.
Patay yung dalawa. Malakas siya yung Alice yung season na to eh. Maraming gumagamit.
My way.
Hindi ko pa rin talaga kaya pag marami yung kalaban. Tingnan nyo. Pinakawawa ako ng kalaban eh. Lamang pa rin naman kami sa kill pero nakakahabol yung kalaban.
They say I'm the duality of human and demon. But I'm Let's go.
Ally has been slain.
Lugi talaga kung walang MM eh. Hindi kaya ng nana.
One down. Who's next?
Ayan na. Na-trash talk na yung core namin eh.
Now.
Wala pa yata ang ambag yung link dito eh.
Betrayal. I know the taste of
Has
it
been
too well.
slain. Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain.
Dito, sinubukan kong matulan dahil akala ko kaya nila core namin. Yan o. Pero wala, hindi kaya. Umuwi na lang eh.
Big boy, how you're so cute. What's your name?
They say I'm the duality of human.
You have slain an enemy.
You. Once there was a place in my
Hintek yung flicker oh. Konti na lang yung cooldown eh. Hindi umabot. Wala. Sayang yung flicker. Nakahabol na yung kalaban sa kill oh.
Request
We all belong to where our hearts go.
killing
Whatever
spree.
serves.
Tingnan niyo po yung life ng Lord dito ah. Check nyo, di ba? Bumalik.
You have slain an
Bumalik yung
enemy.
life ng Lord, di ba?
Reached your limit.
Naglo-Lord pa rin kahit malaki yung life nun. Alam na din naman yung kaya ng mage. Wala kaming MM dito eh, kaya nag-push na ako sa ano, sa X-Flame. Nagpakamatay lang yung dalawa nun.
Team destroyed a turret. Enemy double kill.
Ayan o, tingnan nyo Alice. Makunat talaga eh.
Has slain Lord. Initiate retreat.
Ayan,
Slain.
diba? Ako yung nasisi nila. Dito ako tumulong.
Our turret has been
Alam naman na ninyo kaya.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Net na lang kami dahil wala nakuha ng Lord yung kalaban. Wala na eh, lamang na yung kalaban sa kill oh.
Our turret has been destroyed. Our inhibitor turret.
Out of my way!
Our base is under attack.
The spears will run.
Our base is under attack. Been destroyed.
Will run you through.
Request backup. You have slain an enemy. Double kill.
You're a petty annoyance.
Enemy rampage. Initiate retreat.
Wala eh, di kinukuha ng kuha yung kalaban eh. Hindi na kaya.
The spears will run you through.
Request backup. The enemy has slain Lord. Initiate retreat.
Get lost!
Hindi talaga kaya yung Alice oh. Nakunat talaga ngayon.
An ally has been slain.
Our fight ends here!
Nagkamali pa ako dito. Wala na. Hindi na kaya ma-dep yan eh. Meron pa Lord.
So please, Sarapakaran.